Greetings from Heart Care Foundation of India. Should we combine a modern Western system of medicine with an Eastern philosophy, systems of medicine of yoga, meditation and Ayurveda? The answer is yes, because the very fact our body has a receptor for each and every drug. That means the body has a capacity to produce that drug. In fact, our body is the largest pharmaceutical armamentarium in the world. And so therefore, whenever time comes, we should combine a modern Western system of medicine with the Eastern system of medicine. In our body, whatever we want to heal, we must integrate yoga, meditation and Ayurvedic diet principles, and that's called holistic treatment. If we go into an Ayurvedic system of Vata, Pitta and Kapha, and in that we can body type a particular type of a personality and give him a proper diet. Ayurvedic diet is the best diet in the literature. For example, if a person is a Pitta personality and over a period of time has become a Kapha personality, then we know the culprit is any food which is sour and salty. If you reduce sour and salt from his diet, he will go back from Kapha to a Pitta personality. And that's what we need to integrate. We need to integrate allopathic system of medicine with modern medicine that integrates yoga, that integrates meditation and that integrates Ayurvedic diet and Ayurvedic philosophy. I'm not talking about Ayurvedic drugs. When it comes to drugs, you have a choice. When it comes to surgery, we know allopathy is the best. When it comes to investigation, we know allopathy is the best. Therefore, in terms of treatment, you can choose a particular pathy, but all other principles should be shared. The very fact Ayurveda today is investigating with ultrasound, X-ray and blood test. So there is no reason why an allopathic doctor cannot take the Ayurvedic Vata, Pitta, Kapha philosophy and integrate Ayurvedic diet with the allopathic practice.